I would sit by you and watch the sun fade away. Slowly as the warmth leaves my face, I feel safe. Tell your stories, sing you a song, laugh away the memories as the day passes on. Sit in silence and watch the waves as they crash upon the shore. How I wish for better days. How I wish you could have stayed. But there's no other way. It's when you stay with you. And every new you're here today. You're everything with me. But there's no other way. It's when you stay with you. I would take your hand and rest my head on your shoulder. Tell you everything I've achieved. Tell you the person I've become. I would close my eyes and listen to you speak. 'Cause I've forgotten how it felt when you were here. How I wish I let it pass. How I wish I could have stayed. But there's no other way. It's when you stay with you.